Early this morning, we can see our system organizing across the plains that'll be responsible for a wintry mix across the state through Tuesday. Radar shows the first wave of precipitation pushing into western Illinois in the form of snow further north and freezing rain and sleet further south. This will be mainly light precipitation, but it'll affect the Monday morning commute with at least minor impacts. As we step through the morning hours, you can see how snow will mix with sleet further north across the Chicago metro area, which may lead to up to a half-inch of snow accumulation. Further south, it'll be freezing rain, with slick roads expected just about everywhere this morning. We'll see a bit of a break in the action late morning into the early afternoon hours outside of some patchy freezing drizzle. This should give roads at least a chance to temporarily improve around midday before the next wave pushes northward later this afternoon. Then during the evening hours through the overnight hours, we should see steady freezing rain, with some areas seeing near a quarter-inch of accumulation possible. Sleet and snow may mix in further north, with freezing rain eventually changing to plain rain across central Illinois. Just about everyone should eventually rise above freezing Tuesday morning, but how quickly that happens will make the difference between an icy Tuesday morning commute or just a wet one. Either way, roads will be very icy at times across the state through Tuesday, especially Monday evening through Tuesday morning. We're expecting some locations to pick up near a quarter-inch of freezing rain accumulation, with the bulk of this falling Monday evening. Temperatures were below zero just Sunday morning, so surface temperatures will be very slow to warm above freezing. Further north, enough cold air will linger where some of this will fall as snow or sleet, especially this morning as precipitation begins. Slightly more snow is likely across far northern Illinois into Wisconsin. And while we do expect ice to accumulate, impacts are a bit uncertain due to winds remaining light and temperatures beginning to warm. This should limit ice-related damage and power outages, which is definitely good news. Still, travel will be heavily impacted today and tomorrow, and sometimes these Arctic air masses take a bit longer to get out of here than forecast, which could cause ice to linger a bit longer into Tuesday further north. The next system for Wednesday into Thursday should be all rain at least, so we won't have to worry about this nasty, icy, wintry mix. But first, be careful out there today and tomorrow. Stay tuned to our page for more updates, and thanks for watching.